Good day, I'm Andrea Chizom and this is your JIS News for Thursday, January 15. Government is again urging players in the petroleum trade to pass on all the benefits of the continued decline in petrol prices to consumers. Petrojam announced on Wednesday that it had once again slashed the ex-refinery price of both the 87 and 90 blends of petrol by over $3 per litre. A release from the Energy Ministry revealed that over the past 2 weeks, Petrojam sold the product to marketing companies at well below $90, yet pump prices in some outlets were still above $100 per litre. The ministry is therefore urging marketing companies to pass on the savings to consumers. The release stated that the resistance of some players in the petroleum trade to pass on the benefits in a fulsome manner frustrates the goodwill and transparency that underpin business relationships. Consumers are therefore urged to be vigilant when buying gas at the pumps. Prime Minister Portia Simpson has lauded one private manufacturing and distribution company for believing and investing billions of dollars in Jamaica. Lasca Manufacturing Limited recently invested $2 billion to upgrade and expand its White Marl plant in St. Catherine, leading to the creation of 300 jobs. The Prime Minister toured the state-of-the-art facility on Wednesday and said Lasca's expansion coincided with government's plans to strengthen its relationship with the private sector to grow the economy and create jobs.
This is a kind of bold action that is needed from our private sector partners at a time when our government is significantly improving the climate for investment and business generally.
Mrs. Simpson-Miller added that government had been working with the manufacturing sector to help them overcome their challenges. Notwithstanding the issues, she said that given the improvements in the management of the Jamaican economy, it was a good time for businesses to expand.
The business climate is better, and this view is supported by the World Bank, the reputable Forbes magazine, and local business confidence surveys.
Forbes magazine recently ranked Jamaica as the best country in the region to do business and the third in Latin America and the Caribbean. Government is being praised for its move to table and debate the 2015-2016 budget in February ahead of the usual presentation in April. In keeping with fiscal rules legislation passed last year, government will present its revenue plan and estimates of expenditure at the same time and earlier than usual. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of Jamaica (ICAJ) has released a statement saying this will allow for constructive and widespread debate ahead of the start of the fiscal year. The institute says it expects the change to result in greater accountability and participation. ICAJ President Dennis Chung has called it a step in the right direction for good governance, adding that it needs to be enhanced by the timely adoption of accrual accounting using international public sector accounting standards. The Kingston and St. Andrew Corporation KSAC says it will continue to clamp down on the misuse of public spaces in the corporate area to restore and maintain public order. These include recreational parks and the use of sidewalks for vending.
We want to make sure that individuals with disability have access to our sidewalks and are not forced into the streets because some selfish individuals have decided that their garage, their shop, or their store have priority and should be built on the sidewalk.
Speaking at the KSAC's monthly meeting on Tuesday, Mayor Angela Brownberg revealed that the council closed 18 sidewalk garages and removed 1,000 illegal structures last year.
We intend to be relentless. We have to create a balance between those individuals who are eking out a living under trying times and the public order that is required for a city and a country to progress.
And finally, some members of the Jamaica Defence Force JDF have begun wearing their new Digital Combat Uniforms DCUs. The new uniforms, which were unveiled on Wednesday, replace the disrupted pattern material which the JDF has worn since 1992. JDF Chief of Defence Staff Major General Anthony Anderson says the new combat uniforms will have both land and naval variations and are 50% more effective at camouflaging troops.
As a matter of fact, the old material was becoming more and more difficult to get because most militaries have phased it out. And so in moving to this one, this actually costs less.
The new uniform stipulates JDF personnel to wear their ranks on the front, has ripstop technology making it more durable, and proudly displays the Jamaican flag. The DCUs also have built-in security and identification features that are not easily duplicated. JDF says the change in uniform shows the military's commitment to improving itself and boosting efficiency. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.